begin in a seated position. Gently close your eyes, relax your shoulders, lengthen your spine, and tune into your breath. Breathing through the lower abdomen and activating the root chakra, the base of the spine, visualizing the color red. Begin to do small circles with your upper body in one direction, warming up the sacral chakra, visualizing the color orange, and then when you're ready, reverse directions. Opening up and relaxing the hips and pelvis. And then come back to center. Neutralize your spine, and then you're going to go into a spinal twist. Rotating the neck, looking behind the shoulder, opening up the solar plexus above the belly button, below the rib cage, visualizing the color yellow, and rotate the direction of your twist. Taking deep belly breaths in and out. And then coming back to center when you are ready, neutralizing the spine and bringing the arms up towards the sky, looking up, cactus the arms, bring the arms back up to the sky and then down towards the earth. And again, repeating this, extending the head and arms up, deep cactus bend, up towards the sky, back down towards the earth. One more time, opening up the heart chakra. The color you can visualize is green. Back up towards the sky, and then hands softly rest back down on the earth and back to the knees. And we're going to go into some neck circles in one direction. Opening up, relaxing the throat chakra at the center of the throat, and the color is blue. And then reverse the direction of your neck circles, releasing any tension in the neck and shoulders. And then coming back to neutral. You're going to roll the shoulders up, down, and back, and move so you're in a tabletop position, and then you're going to go into a deep, wide child's pose. Arms extended out in front of you. Just rock your forehead gently on the mat, massaging the forehead, which is the third eye. The color you can visualize is purple. Just relaxing the mind, and then allow your body to fully sink into the child's pose. Just take a few deep breaths here. And then come up to a tabletop and then back into downward dog. Shake out the head, yes and no, bringing energy to the crown chakra, the top of the head. Just releasing any residual tension in the body. You can walk your dog back and forth, and the color to visualize is white. And then slowly walk back towards your feet and come up one vertebra at a time until you're in a standing position. Arms come up to the sky, and then bring the hands through heart center. Thank you so much for joining me today.